Hello guys, welcome to Takeoff Group. Today our project is fingerprint based voting machine. We are very quite familiar with electronic voting machines where our vote gets registered electronically and we don't need to use ballot paper to vote in election. Today security is a major concern and it also needs to ensure that someone can't vote twice. So this problem can be solved by introducing a fingerprint based voting machine where a person can be authorized on his fingerprint. This also stops faking votes. So today we are going to see the project called fingerprint based voting machine. Now let's come to the block diagram part of our project. Here we are using a Arduino controller, a 20x4 LCD display. This LCD display is used to display the messages, a fingerprint sensor module which scans the fingerprints. There is a buzzer which is used as an indication, and there are 9 keys in which 5 keys are dedicated as enroll key, delete key, increment key, decrement key and a result key, and other 4 are dedicated as voting keys, out of which 3 keys are for 3 different candidates and 1 is for match key to match the fingerprint before voting. Let's come to the hardware part of our project. In this we have used the Arduino controller which is placed inside the box. There is a LCD display on the box which is used to display the messages. There is a fingerprint sensor module which is used to authenticate true voter by taking the fingerprint as an input. There are 6 keys, out of which 1 key is for match key. The match key is used whenever the voter wants to vote. Then the user needs to authenticate first for true voter by keeping the finger on the sensor. If the voter passes the authentication, then only user can vote. There are 5 buttons beside the box, out of which 1 is for enroll. The enroll key is used for enrolling the new finger impression into the system. Next is the delete key. The delete key is used whenever the user enrolls a new finger. Then the user needs to select the finger ID by using the increment or decrement key. After selecting the user ID, the user again needs to press the delete key to proceed with the selected ID. Next is the result key. The result key is used to check the results, like who has got more number of votes. So now let's see the working of our project. When we give the power supply, the display shows that fingerprint based election voting machine. That is the name of our project. After that, before voting we need to enroll the fingerprints of the voter. So for that it displays press match button to start the voting but before that we need to enroll the fingerprint. So we'll press the enroll button. Then it asks to enter the finger ID. For selecting the finger ID, we need to use the increment or decrement button. So the finger ID is 2. After selecting the finger ID, we need to press the delete and OK button. Then it says we need to place the fingerprint. Then after scanning once, it again asks to place finger. After placing it, after taking it says stored. So for the voting process, first I need to press the match button to match the fingerprint already stored. It says place finger. After placing it says authorized voter. So I need to now place the vote selecting any candidate button. Then after that it shows BJP vote submitted. The person has already voted and tries to vote again, then it displays as already voted and it gives a buzzer for some seconds. So by using this project we can have very secure voting process and no person can do the voting process twice.